In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can go ahead and set up a phone link for an iPhone here on Windows. Before you do get in this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But what you're going to want to do first is click search down at the very bottom of your Windows taskbar and go ahead and type in phone link and hit enter. It's going to take you to a page that looks something like this where you're going to want to select your device. Obviously choose iPhone for this. And in order to actually go ahead and link your phone, go ahead and open up your iPhone's camera and essentially just scan this QR code on here just like so. From here, you're going to immediately have the option to pair your devices, and it's going to immediately load you into the app where you just need to go ahead and hit continue and then sign in with your Microsoft account. Now, you may need to have Bluetooth on, so keep that in mind. So open up your phone, go to Bluetooth, and you'll find your computer in that Bluetooth list. Tap the info icon and enable sync contacts, and finally turn on show message notifications. And when you go back onto the phone link on your PC, just press refresh up at the very top and it's going to apply the changes, and that is it. Your phone is now going to be connected using phone link, and you can now send messages and make calls directly from your PC. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.